Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use constraints in FreeCAD. Constraints are one of the most important features in the Sketcher Workbench because they control the size, position, and behavior of your geometry. By using constraints correctly, you can create accurate, fully defined sketches that are easy to modify later. So let's get started. First, open FreeCAD and create a new project or load an existing one. Then switch to the part Design Workbench and create a new sketch or open a sketch you've already started working on. Once you're inside the Sketcher workspace, begin by drawing some basic geometry. You can use lines, circles, rectangles, arcs, or other sketch tools to create the shape you want. At this stage, your sketch is usually under constrained, meaning the geometry can still move or change unexpectedly. That's where constraints come in. Let's start with geometric constraints. These define relationships between sketch elements. For example, you can make a line horizontal or vertical, force two lines to be parallel, make lines perpendicular, or ensure that points stay connected. Once your sketch is fully constrained and behaves as expected, save your work and continue building your design using tools like Pad, Pocket, Revolve, and other part design features. And that's how to use constraints in FreeCAD. By mastering constraints, you'll create more accurate, flexible, and professional CAD models while making future design changes much easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.